One bathroom, 2 doors. Easier to build, but difficult to manage. A lot of new buildings are made with a bathroom that's accessed via 2 doors. Applying security and privacy to these rooms is always going to be difficult. When using a shower or toilet in a shared bathroom, you could find the adjacent occupants can walk in on you. Sure, that door could be manually latched from inside the bathroom, but if you forget to unlatch that door, then you are forever locking out the second room. Sometimes it's security that's the main issue. 2 nearby shops that share a toilet facility won't like adjacent businesses gaining indirect access to their commercial space. These and many similar situations are the reasons why the SM108 door interlock system was first developed. This miniature bathroom mock-up resembles a common bathroom arrangement with 2 doors. In this instance, they're both hinged doors that will push or pull open when the locks are in their passive state. There are 5 different plans of operation that can be applied to this system. Plan 1. This is a popular plan for aged care facilities. There are no buttons that the residents have to push to lock or unlock the doors. The far door is always locked, and the entry door always stays unlocked. This makes it very easy to use. Plan 2. This is the most common plan for commercial and residential sites. It has automatic locking after you've entered the room. The far door always remains locked. You can push a button to exit when it's time to leave, and you can only leave via the door that you came in from. Plan 3. It's similar to Plan 2 and is often used domestically. It has manual locking after you've entered the room. The far door is always locked. When it's time to leave, you push a button to exit, and you can only leave via the door that you entered by. Plan 4 is often used in hotel apartments where a bathroom accesses, say, a lounge and a bedroom. It has manual locking of both doors after you've entered the room, and you push a button when it's time to leave, but you can leave via either door. Plan 5 is often used in medical and scientific sites. It has an airlock style configuration. You can leave via either door, but only one door at a time can be opened. This prevents airflow between rooms. All of these plans use a safe 12-volt DC supply. They support automatic light and ceiling fan operation. They all support the 4 different types of door latch, and they all revert to an unlocked state if there's a power cut. A bathroom can have its lights and ceiling fan hooked up to the system. It can automatically activate the lights and the ceiling fan when someone enters the bathroom, and then 2 minutes after they've left the room, it can turn them off again. This feature does require the involvement of an electrician to make the connections. You can look at the 5 short video clips which we have here that show each plan in more detail. This will help owners and consultants to decide which plan is the best one for their situation. Each of the 5 plans has a wide-angle movement sensor fitted to the ceiling of the shared room. This is an important item as it will help the system to tell if a room is empty or occupied. It can even work out if a door was open briefly then closed again without anyone actually having entered the room. One of the most important components are the door latches. Bathrooms come in many shapes and sizes. Doors can be hinged or sliding, in door frames that can be wood, steel or aluminium. This system supports 4 basic types of latch. An important part of the selection process is to pick the right one for your location. All latches are intrinsically safe and revert to an unlocked condition in the event of a power failure. A common door style uses the hinged door latch. It's normally unlocked, but cannot be pushed open when the lock is energized. It has an integral sensor to let the system know when a door is fully closed. The next style is the drop pin latch. This one can be placed above a fixed or sliding door and secures the door by dropping a metal pin into place. It also has an integral door sensor, so it doesn't attempt to lock a door until it's fully closed. We can also use magnetic door latches. These clamp a door shut by magnetically adhering to a metal bar embedded into the face of the door. There are 2 styles of magnetic latch, one which can be mounted in an exposed position, and a flush mount version that can be recessed into a door frame and painted over. Each door to the bathroom can have an indicator on the outside which lights up when the door is locked. This is quite useful as it informs the occupants of the distant room that the bathroom is presently in use and that there's no point in trying to open a door that's currently locked. Door lock buttons. Most plans use door lock buttons. These are used on all plans except for Plan 1. Pressing the button can be used for locking and unlocking any door. Whenever a nearby lock is energised, the door lock button glows red. The SM108 control unit. This is the heart of the system. It uses a microprocessor to make all the decisions about locking and unlocking doors. It can be mounted in a nearby utility cupboard or ceiling space. It operates from a small 12-volt AC plug pack. The unit comes pre-programmed to service one of the 5 different room access plans. That concludes our introduction to the SM108 door control system. For more details about the system, check out the installation manual available for download on the SM108 website.